Romans 12:18, King James Version. If it be possible, as much as lieth in you, live peaceably with all men. Peace begins with you. You cannot control others, but you can govern your heart and your response. Do not fuel division. Choose not to add fire to sparks. Restraint can be holy courage. If it be possible, admits peace is not always attainable. Some will reject reconciliation. Exhaust every effort, so the failure of peace is never your unwillingness. Release the outcome to God. To live peaceably is to mirror Christ, the Prince of Peace. A peaceful spirit becomes a living testimony. Even in disagreement, gentleness shows Christ has changed us. Peace speaks louder than winning. As much as lieth in you points inward. Outer peace flows from a heart anchored in God. A restless, bitter spirit cannot give real peace. Let God still your soul. Peace does not mean sacrificing righteousness or truth. Balance truth with grace. Stand firm in faith. Still walk in love. Show respect even when convictions differ. Peace is not the absence of conflict, but the presence of Christ in how we respond. Romans 12:18 reminds us, you may not control others, but you can control whether your life reflects God's peace. Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Bible Verses of Life channel. God bless.